Arope medofopa mamemfa enchia kese ema baby bia wo tie baby bia wugina baby bia wonam ene kro ene ekura owo ase se arope se nyame ya adom na se ye twahia ewo adom ahengwa ne mu dwumadie so mu bibre mu tie dwumadie na so bukra ibizaze dwumadie ben ya unim ahengwa ne nim dwumadie Adom ahengwa. Hebrew fongo matria ayenai. Eno wakaze momra onyankopon adom ahengwa nenim. Na mwenya mobruhunu na mwenya adom na mode aye adwuma bresem. It is amenu hia dwumadie so a enye enenko anti ena yehia se enne yebeje adom ene emobruhunu that will obtain mercies and grace, and we will use it at appropriate times in our lives. It is a menu share hanoma ishia se erade enye ye na adom na omba yembra nanim. If you say nyame anim ba no aje wo de nam yo, we enter into the presence of the Lord with boldness. Akukodro ene namaye. Binima akukodro awoye. Etobre bia na wadwene na ye kesene, wadwene na ye akire sa se udifo onse onfata se obeba opapa enim. In fact, edebi okra no wa kra wadwene no ka kire se you are no more a child of God. You are no more a child of God. You are a backslider. Vatobre bia nema ene nam wadwene mo no ye hobisa on se ntimi kura me bompa ya nyame otie ni. There are so many things that comes into your mind. Enunti ene wotwerefo ne se yemfa nam ye ne yemfa kokoduro embre nyame yenim. Ese se wankasa no wode nam ye na wode akokoduro emfa no de no awoyeye emfa no de na otwemienu me ensane woyeye emfa no de afi waye but usore na se ukonya miyenim na sesa nam ye no eni akokoduro ni ho a the enemy will take advantage of your weakness, of your vulnerabilities, and then he will hammer on your weakness all the time. Obe shut down bobebia wombre no obo two na efe we jesun to brebi okaka woni ema bia wa yesa, and then you feel so perplexed. We have to say obiamu mami ana papa obiamu buswe jesumu Sha wini ma dia Satan ye kura Satan na dwuma nyina ne se be ya wuntimi mbanyame anim. All that the enemy is doing every day aho ahonwo ye no ahye kakao sa unse first boyfriend be now fire, you know, and a yes o kakao the enemy nyina no kakao. The devil doesn't want us to come to the presence of the Lord. That is all the enemy is always doing 24/7. I don't otwelefo say momfa nam ye ni akokodro. Hebrews chapter 4. It is a jumedi way menu dinner 20-something years no, but I nyina no se be ya yebenya akokodro ni nam ye ni abanyame yenim. So jumedi way we don't use it to condemn. You use to say you be encourage you say dear wotie bia no. In fact, God is expecting and waiting for you. Nyame etwa nyame hwe se obe sorry free wa hwe ase wonim gu ase won sopa ene wadwutwa ade biara abubu atia wo no na wa sorry no wa show hodin no abanyame na binim baby I want baby out here and send you why ready to come to the Lord. As long as we be ready there nyame anim but sebaya wobetumi enter into his gate with thanksgiving akokodro ni ho a abusua enya de a wobetumi aye. Don't feel condemned. Don't feel condemned. Oya makoche mnyame erade me ne wonamo a mensuro. Oya makoche mnyame ebia na ukuna wu anasa oyire wu ebia na ade ato wani ebia o ma me afrimu enra entiama wa boto ebia wo dofo bi afrimu ma me bia oya me prayer partner pa Juada me ho se ne number frame na me me be tiem crackers hey Mrs. Spencer yeah no ne bad voice. This woman is a prayer partner and a supportive of the work of God. Yes sir obompa ye ma okeke but wa no de na yi kakra ba se sofo juwe fa to anya medjuma so. One of the closest prayer partners of Mama Francisca. If you've been in a banner, I'm saying, Mama, way. But I'm doing her last week. Because Mama, she has. Jimmy Abrenyina Esan Santi Minsuro Radio or Mafa minimum say Radio Wafa Radio Wafa or say Radio Wafa but who him you don't know that he is with you. I don't know Jacob said in Yami Waha let me name so it makes you think that the Lord is not with you. But I don't pay. May YAW OWUSU ANSAH. YAW I see it. You couldn't take care of or China Bonton. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Because a man may be brave, or you don't know much of the Aka one, encouragement. Now, crying on our ball, Bano. I mean, a bono. What do you have to do? We as an all gift. Support to the Kakranda gift, and I'm up on Tia. Where's the JB a woman and a day? Yeah, no man, and Boam and Thomas. Who crew a gift? They also to me, Yan, and say, oh, Mira, I mean, show cry. We said in Cran way ye no drew baby, Obo Di Kakrampo. We didn't butter ye, you know. Would you have been a Yamia friend or dear Jumabia Shenansa? Encourage that person. Thank you very much. Also for Charles and so Adom Dakwa. I know your praise be soft. Mammy Joseph so Mama Facebook Adom 106.3 FM. Over to me, I invite you now for business so Abaso. It's a near my year canoe. A Yanema, Ihiana Ebuapa. Anita, what's now your birthday? Valentine's Day is your birthday. Oh, London, me offer a super. Anita. Nana Kuya. Good morning. Happy birthday in advance. My birthday, and maybe answer me my happy birthday. Mrs. Anna mine, say, Benjana, Nemo, and Namuamoba, Ebijano, Ma, Ujani Kuno, Equaina, Nenema, Mubata, Nemechi, Tower, non switchy, Ma, Ujani Kuno, Papa Naman, a sorry penny, Eba Koa, Wayana Juma, Ewo, Victory Bible Church. Papa Takia boy, Mama Naman so dawase, one then Kodani Yana Minuanamina so Madawase. You did so well. The pastors and all the men of God and the elders, you did so well. Mama Naman so Damunina Mase. I repair Junaway home, nephew young Quanti Abuatma. Proverbs 51, verse 10. Meba. Said the boy for Jijiwa and Penny. Junahon. Meba. Said the boy for Jijiwa and Penny. Meba. Said the boy for Jijiwa and Penny. One Jijiwa. One separate you from your family. Why not to tell when they were here, when you couldn't win a ma? Why not say one term? Remember, so the boy for Jijiwa and Penny. Where you foot to Cassiapa? What's your Valentine? Why not Jijo? So the Valentine, we had Denia, no Robin watching, no Robin. We had done here for all these years. I would be Chidi. Valentine would why you or did you? It is any a baba way a kikawi. It's almost what did you? Or did you? Crank, or so a tall red day. Sana headache. What should I do? Oh, baby, so. Meba. Say, and the boy for Jijiwa and Penny. A dear no weapon so. A dear foot will be a tour, Uja Wiri. Ababa warrior. Baba warrior now no kunu womba. I yet then a sabranted in a no sua Edjosa. I must say, with the Hokrana no Krukra. Nay, a sabrantian or no sukuno. I want to why you know. And I what about this one? Beba, sir, or the boy you need, Joa. Why you the boy you need? What's what the what? The captain what no. What dopa? And Quanyasu will ship away free Wukunan seven. Now what the cast? What is that the oil in your honor? What the no man ever move you? It's no. They also a door that no did not found no send you a message. No will trap pictures, beach natural. Eba. What the boy you need, Joa. Emperor. Aye, Majina.
Oh, when you my coach and yummy, me you na man suro.
But you believe you can
Sunday, yeah, me cool.
Yeah, can't Monday and one now. Yeah, Kako. Auntie, about good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I want to say.
Ruaki
to say. Ruaki, a bon honko watcher, but me zeno me nyamba.
And the Manjira.
Okay, and the Mama, what to say?
Mamma, who you're so chill, something catch your so chill.
And I'm a sweetheart, and so what to say.
Oh, no, so you're so chill.
You're mamma. No, yeah.
No, yeah, pa.
Bibi, I cost cover.
Bibi, I cost my son.
I'm always so to say.
Mamma is from here. Yeah.
great family, great family, great family, great family.
Glory to God.
Glory be to God. Na membranti ano so so any ababawa no. Omuti apanka sa. Kotokoni no jo.
Oh, shaho. Nesposo so di mu dede.
We nyame obeka kana dwena kire me say nra ye loose. Nra loose ne dia ha dwene but ye be hye hun cry.
Oh, and Ramus here.
Oh, you lose support.
I met you say na makobo.
Enra you lose support.
I don't know where sa.
Yeni ayi krumpa. Na. You lose support. Enra just
Obamunya sa.
Enra you lose.
You fa command mu chi o.
Oh, there be nan kan said yanki ya boy homodre. But enra me hu de ye hu so.
It is na ese muni strikers also.
Enra ye hu so. We nya kotokode no kotokode de ye ne.
Now the boy again.
Manchester. Sabi de onim se kokko mu ana wo.
Kokoso nana.
Otu kokoso nana.
Because Matisa kotoko bobo.
Much. Yeah, we are me sure say na the ye lose. Rather boy. Na me mbem hu so ma so say bompa pa dia amfasa no. Papa. Right, Auntie Awatima. Me pese bompa 1 minute dia ma anybody who is discouraged in life. Anybody.
For 1 minute, God, we come before you.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Jesus. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
Unim akuma abutu. Unim akuma high. Eradi unim ye chense de enim yo.
Oh Lord.
Eradi bom paya no pay say.
Lord.
Akume bia ebubu.
Yes, Lord.
Niso bia eti wo wani.
Yes, Lord.
Arewo bia ahye obiakume muma.
Jesus.
Me bom paya say eradi. Be our comforter.
Be our comforter.
Eradi comfort those who need you. Obi bia we need us wo bia eradi down where the chire no. Eradi down where the chire obi bia o hwehwe. Anope eradi konsato akoma bia so.
Yes,
Lord. Akoma to okra bia so.
Yes, Lord.
Eradi show when you nyam.
Yes, Lord.
Maya dansidie.
Yes, Lord.
Maya nyum.
Ma
ewiasefo hu say udina yabo. For the sake of your name that we bear. Esa udin da yesunti. Eradi show when you nyam. Jesus Christ.
Amayeni Mungu ase. Udin da yesunti.
Jesus.
Udin da yesunti.
Jesus.
Apamu awoni ye wonti. Eradi se wo babi nsesi fomo a. Eradi pija yen. So the moyefo abi agegye ne a. Eradi hwemi ye free nsem. Na fa ye bra wa hindi no. Let us come back to your presence.
Jesus.
In Jesus' name. Ebusu yampa ye tietia say ya bona ye adwuma papa. in ambulance. And if someone would tell you thousands of people. So be a cray, crank, ye. I mean, you won't free moment, Cassa, would you want to mean ye be? Crabby, I'll be to me, I be a baby, I'm yet to me. I dear, see this and the ama and someone praise I didn't know I want to number and I want to show more than I want Sunday BB Kakra and family was 0244 710 311. I mean, some number is 0244 710 311 and 0509 15 1010. 0509 15 1010. Antia, Yankasa. Yeah, just good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Now, where?
ADOM AHENGUA.
Oh, you don't know yet.
No, where, Papa?
Dan wa dana se ama ye. Dana se ma ye. Was ye ni so. Do ye ma ye ni so pa. Me na yire ni so. Yeah. O ye no kokko me so maka na bedwam. Ba ye ni so pa. Ye ni so. Efe. Even the thought of it. Ni obi ana na ni kunu san ya. Obe pese obe ye wadoye. Yeah. And Rami Yiriha no asri. I say, hey. Yonko be ye. Auntie Yabatwa.
Amen.
Kasa.
Amen. I don't pay. Let me try to obey comment on the amen. No.
So them say me few.
Before Kramesha say no, I think I've had the chance to be in an ambulance. Matsina ambulance muda about 5 years and this period ya Mrs. Tayari after do baby then set an ambulance one of it is so no say me this ambulance boy me the respect Emma me the respect my ambulance pa and I've also had the chance to be at the prisons and me call na ye share said they describe omunda mutie said they show omunda no no be human be ogus obigu so ne ene me koso wo ho no na just ambulance and I think say ubia wo atinka wo gu no say utimi contributed to the ambulance the little bia obenya no I think it will make a difference would so seed say erade e ma maintain ambulance muda ana me babia na me busua na ma want to so bia nko prison da and untimi so sa seed way
Okay.
At the mommy generation mo bia nko prison da na mo bia ambulance muda enti no the said back on until what would see bia no you
have a good heart.
Yeah, just like Christianity and now Christianity your ma.
Okay.
A mount me near Christonia. Unsa din.
Okay.
The be a match me that's now you know you don't give, you don't sow towards anything. Bibia can be and count. Jebe can be and count obi and count friends say obi and count obi nothing bibia and count and no end shed down near Christosumpa. You know, some more Facebook and more so pa yesre kakra bia would be so seed piano. I think it is welcomed and it's appreciated before God and it's going before God as a memorial. Yeah, for your generation.
And to crowds so won't Facebook and our radio so no. I mean we pick number 0244 710. Yes, a friend number no. 0244 710 311. And 0509 15 1010. I mean, 100, 200, 50. The obey to me biano. Kakranka krasa, ye boabua noa. Then straight away. Oh, Abigail, yes, I will Facebook and also hear me. to America or no I guess a me so me boy 100 be me kakra ne $100 be £100 be €100 be then ka we kan 1 week be na just anka ye wie ade no so enya ndru half kra timi so ntimo monya
but the awareness is being created
and the mai kra me wuro bi afie na maje
okay so
be dem de si me this one just awareness me I was here Auntie ya kasa and never buy one kasa notebook ni how extra
isu nyame akase anyway na I just said we can before another notebook instead.
Oh, sorry.
Isu nyame akase erani ba kasa share ba
na so dey upon the womb ya dey here say ya twere but the womb dada
Massimo kana kai ozo fu bi asemu o na purpose na message ayira ne be pa ni na ayira
points ni nyina abonsa ayira
praise the Lord so can be 20
anyway me to say the yagusu a ye can say February the month of love, the month of fellowship, the month of showing love, connecting. Ghana for yana yesu atra nti yama Valentine no atani bibia wo ho adane bibia wo se obi so bi kra se Valentine story na ne sen kra onim joni ma ne se ye hye kokko ntanya enu nti de ba be kire wa so oba so hye kokko akọ ready na hwe se Valentine na kire sen ba ye Christopher de sie ni so se ye be ka ye ho bebia ye free ba ye any baby I do say any dear erade expect of us as the family of God. Now no yakeka kakra fi say a friend say or say radibo nipa baako. No say God created man in his own image. Or say and let me notebook no na kakra be fa. Don't. Yes. Or say man and woman created he him. Into no boni pa baako pe onipa baako pe. And no sinipa baako ni mu no na baako ni free ba ye mienu o se ohumi gu ye so e ma ye be ye akrati
asefo
nti na no meka moja enne me de ahumi no na e ka ho sa ahumi ne Awurade humi ne baako pe no eno na amaya ye akrati asefo nti
kakoya me distract but my contact was me send me sika no through my sister my wife the senior brother I couldn't tell what can I say lending UK for I couldn't tell me that so support to such a project. God bless you. Kwamitri Makontapa.
Amen.
I couldn't tell what down for Kasa.
Amen.
Kasa. So smash it down.
Everybody who me go yeso.
They rather who me go yeso.
They be akrati asefo.
Ye kan say obo bema. And the toss be no say oba no efree bema no emfim.
Nti say obo man and woman.
Okay.
Nipa bi nipa no boy yo.
Ansan wo home.
Ansan o home egu yeso.
Okay.
Nti we wo so nti home ye no so we have the breath and we have the blood. And no na Awurade edibo ni wiase. It's no Awurade believing in family. Me can fit in fiase no. Awurade believing in family. Into families no e ba ye no we me kaka ye ho near Monday near course no e ba ya besi your friend saying Noah penso san besi the Tower of Babel. Into Tower of Babel we say no me can no wa na yenya Bible yenya nkrofa yesua Bible obi wo ho a Bible na nkasa on kan bi enti say ye ba na say kasa odwan oba na wo o say amen me pese ye nyina ye Bible students enti we nyina me start fi Genesis enti no after ukwa udu Genesis chapter 11 na ho na Babel ye nyina ye kasa kra ye pe ye nyina ye kasa ye pe ho na Awurade cheche ye kasa mu ama ye kasa divide yen and so still no moja kro no any hum kro na Awurade hum gu ye mu no eno na Awurade fa so di communicate and na ye I want to aso moja no any ahome no nti no trying to recap what we said on the Monday e ka say eba bedu said the chiche mu eba nations eba friends and countries. I want to zero now you see as you were doing this no we omo did fast no omo timi hu say me nua we de odidi brel enti me consider no e bia me nua we odidi intentem enti me na me di me nua be ma ba ko say didi asofo George ye didi a obeja na me nyina ma me edu am say now we o say na open na mentiri. I mean something that's brought the African together. Ye jani nyina gu ho enti no se wo misanka ya ba ye say bronu so kra ma ye ebusua asori ma ye ebusua school ma ye ebusua niam bebre ma ye ebusua say ye consider sa niam we nyina ebema o say hwese de ye hwese de efe
ya eye eni fa eye fe
se ebusua
enuanom bomu tena faako
eti se oyila every Aaron
apampem de sane ba na bodwese
ne sane ba
na sane gu ne taade mu na ye kɔ ne naase ehodom na awurade nso so esi ahye ne nshira.
That is the asie no just the togetherness no how the awurade nshira no na se togetherness ni ni hwa awurade nshira edin into what the basa ebusua even the nuclear family we family se ba ko ye eni okunu eni oyere eni ni mama eya na awurade nshira edin se wo ba brono so a se brono so fo ne hwo ba ko se ye be protect yankasa ye neighborhood ye be take ye sa ade we sa Valentine or daughter me pa cho ye de ka ye ho abobobom eniema ye refi ye ho se wo ne obi tibro no so ye busua se wo do obi ko school ye busua se wo ne obi ko aso ye busua ye nyina ye busua fo ne ye hu se okra ba ko ene ti ye mu hunhum ba ko ne rade humi gu ye mu moja ba ko ne nam ye mu dia na ye ntimi papa ye mu ye ntimi ntan ye ho ye ntimi friends say endi obi boni se trimodin na do so ne kire say sometimes no so far na me dream say okra no say you don't have a spirit, there's no soul in you. It is say me ye wade a me ndwene ho say me ye wade a say me ye wa say me person otofoma me make sure say me make sure say mama sofo ahwiase enti no say me ofa ha metwa no but then if we come to realize the fact that eye honhom baako ene ye moja baako ene ye nipa baako ne rade hwe me ne wo ye unity na odi ahira yen a na I think say we'll be a bit careful say ye hwe said ye gya ye culture mo ato na ye kofa nkofo culture na ye de tete ye mu na me hwe WhatsApp abi me ni social media no too much but mo WhatsApp kakra bi na as immigration phobia ko ebi se kasoa eso mo kohwe
omo kohwe ye ni ye kurum ha
omo ma betina mu a
aman a omo ba betina ye kurum ha
omo ni
krata
na ye kwa kohwe wo mu a
no omo na sori atia immigration
wo so
asise nnua ne moba
abo ye nim se de kosi ye nim so butimi efri mu dia because omo de ade si omo kwan ni nyina na Ghana 40 krom ha na enuafo ye Ghana 40 krom ha na ye yentimi mbo yankasa ye ho ban yentimi mbo yankrofo ho ban na se ye se a ehimfa na ye pese ekodu ehimfa na ye pese kro ni kodu ne senti no na last na wo ka no se be software de na akɔhye wase kra no ontimi mbo ho ban ontimi hwe wo because ni refi say okra na tini mu no ebi na tum ni refi say ye de ne brew say hwe no last obi say me asem bi we scripture no Ezekiel chapter 34 me to me boko hwe Ewurade say mo milky nkrofo na me new mama shepherds no sheep na me dia mamu na milky wo mu no mu hwe wo no mo ato atese no mo ato atese na obia April wo mu bi no menim wasem ende me jama sa e question obi sa so fofo no anasa nya so nya sofo wo your mampanin wo ye meya wo ye assemblyman wo ye papa wo ye class prefect be about to every authority say Ewurade nipa hye won sa odo mu hye won sa say hwe wo mu so one for one show mu sa say take advantage of them milk them just a shebe
fifiwo mu amunsa ji wo mu tax me fe kura de o mu nya sika eno mu de atua tax na so mo say V8 enam ho bebre no obi a bebre ntimi enye wo mo roadworthy obi cause ade the board ntam for say ne ye de na mu nta police for so e be no mo yen
enra na menam na enra na mena asa me windscreen ni ma pai kakra na police che me na also watch me and I'm say I don't see me windscreen abo na me nkoye and I'm say oh nti be windscreen abo na me nya scan to ya watch me o say ai na I'm say and ko bisa me insurance for comprehensive insurance ka say ya twom mo famba nti no insurance for nim say ye busu
insurance
comprehensive insurance nda windscreen kro mu ntimi mba police so hu o se machew na che say ye kwa na say ye ba be se ma me wure mpacho wa say mu ya o ka minti da wure mpese u cheche mu keke o say an ye be chew so windscreen abo
so what chew no kra na so what chew no wa kire wo say yes we no nko a ahwe anu o san be nom wo
we don't know me ye
obennom wo guso obennom papa onu enim say o krata anje u pipa no anje no anko be gese ene ye kokoye no da bi o ejide na wo de jayen onom
emsa bi o jame na dum ohumani ase ohwehwem sa no se o kwa ne koda
kokona ye
na mishra na ka so dum bi da mu no
ye kepkos kwaso post di bi gina me oh yeah okay okay we say no empacho udru ya o cancer me hwe no and I'm saying pacho medas nyamishra e ka djuma no say ya me ye no ennom me because me krata anye na wo san nom ya ka de na ma say sika na wo gye no memfa bi nkososo
na memfa nya o ba ku bi de na of track bo ma me and I'm trying photo say ma me gira ho ye ne twa me
on fer kura
enti no dia me pesa be kan se sofo dia me pesa me kan se so we busua mu last na wo ka so we busua mu na se Ewurade fa han ba ko busua ni ma is to the glory of the whole family. It's to the glory of the
Sonoma womb. Aye. The Yami Pejan Sonoma no.
Yami Pejan Sonoma na. Ye busuya ni nyina na epeja. Also for what I woka say, obeti mika say oh my sister ni kunu ni ye na danfo any sofo na okasa no. You see the glory goes. E ka obia na so be fie busuya nim no de kokro motisi fom. No okasa on pnia na che se nipa no on ti abodiase. On tia body as nyame ntimi you see obia say ye nyina ye metena ha obi betena ha obi betie my hair is on fire. Or no, so bad. Are you oh, so diligent in his work. Are you you see, if we don't understand it like that, not say you back that means say I'm passe abrofone can say be breaking no we breaking the family.
A crown befa so breaking and so be touchy your culture.
Touch your culture. Into Nanka, Omami,
and near my Kaye Boom, and near my Maya Barco, and near my Maya do Doyen, and near my Maya Buya Hono, a brofana generally say, you won't be to me the idea, pan, say, and so,
and it's all breaking,
and one who goes and so, yeah,
and I yes, you some,
yeah,
and I yes, you twasso, ain't no say, your friend say, we're family in the crampono, unqua, wouldn't on na if you no so boy 5 room no so ya 5 room 5 no bia da baako na omo maka nyina like abusuanity etire
no
so for o fan crofo no so betere mu so no so another problem it is say until ye nyina ye be say until ye nyina ye be say ye wo asodie bi obia wo ne part play say me metimi adom ebusua.
That's right.
Na ma dom me bro no so for na ma dom me man. Na me yi akoma papa dia kire me man no. Na wo so be ye wa femu de no. Then we are getting nowhere. Ye get bibia. Your friend Sunday me try ya call your area meeting. Me da na me say so mo announcement and I'm Kobe. Omo keke kasa na me se krache. Kire me the duties of the assemblyman. Masam ni yetia. Or say mami once I question me to me answer. No, I'm so be answer me, answer na mako. You see, and we had honorable sitting there, Mr. Honorable sitting na modosun. And we don't even know where to go. We don't know what to do. Chire ye mo description, mo job description. Say if it was so honorable way so no. So here way ya, honorable way. So here we say honorable way. No, there is nothing like that. And then we don't think say a woman say nipa na tuma wo nso nyame ne frɛ wo. Obebu ho akonta. Bro no so a wotie efie twa ye ho ahia. Valentine ye kona mu e wo bra efi amene ye wo krom ha no mu say efi amene ye. Oba mi office echi a osofo untimi ntena. Me che say oh, we are coming back to God. We are coming back to our belief. Last no be kase o ko villages crampo na omudiom hu ni chen ya yabako. Just a chromo, I don't even know how to describe it. All I'm saying is God is interested in the family. God is interested in us as individuals and as a group. Let's see ourselves as a family. Let's see ourselves as said moja womi muno. Sa moja di bia na
mo. Wo wonso so womo. Sa ne nyame pese ye hono. Sa ne nyame pese say angejas fa ba ko be so ye brel crap ho da.
Mama kasa na o kasa ni na ntre we se uti.
Yeah.
Na wonso usi.
Ene jai kai na me san ko no.
Obetumi akono. Na because oh
yeah, same thing I'm too. I'm me tire no. Oh yeah, very crucial.
I saw or points.
I don't tell you to be cry away so far. What sort of baby or no nya sofo no man be gina no preach.
Now was what
na wutie sa na wo tire points now so they ball bra.
So I mean can say
any ma me sofo to aso e.
Mami can say back to conclude.
Your time na so mom.
Ya first no na ya wunua. Sesi ayen wunua ye yenua.
Okay.
Yeah,
na ye den.
First na ye wunua.
Ye wunua.
But say wunua wunua anya wunua na onim wo se bisa. But sesi aye yenua. Se uba baby na so hwe se we accepted that. Te say Jesus here no. E man the fear for friend no. E say o maame efrɛ o. O se wan na ye me maame. Wan na ye me papa. We no mo. Omwa ye nyina ye there's been enough for as we story bia no be catch me about 4 boys omo ye namfofo na baako e kleptomaniac ye ka so be a kleptomaniac on sheda ehia ade no but ofa owia say bia no tie ya obetimi awia phone wawia inti no na omo for phone ya just me ka obi there be no I'm talking about adamfofo bi nipa bi omo back together as friends na baako bi owo mu no kleptomaniac or ye ewi I said no here crampo chrono no one sano into no transfer when you tie crown so you tie. And so this group of boys
idea be one who be obevia
a supermarket obevia on be piena okitawe
kleptomania.
Yes, they are trying to say wouldn't go to market to be pay or to be for TV in a pay or say the way then all the pay I mean so to speak now and Adam Fufoi omo cover of one down for no say on no kwan pay da omo ni nam kroma nipa trading na won chain or yes or kwa no mesum no or yes or kwa no mesum no da omo training na ni ho na say back ni pay. This is what I'm talking about. I am talking about
covered the weakness.
Cover the weakness. Yeah. They don't expose him.
Yeah.
Those friends are there. They cover him. Someone in the PR, not just say, or qua, not your son. So, yes, I don't know their twice or far, not what you know their tour. As a sir,
because someone who in weakness. Need the entire memma woman auntie and say, Yem umre ya ye huno ye nyama umre ye na emmeno
enku
animu ase and say
also for Thursday we'll pick one family in the Bible to amaze you. It will blow your mind. So let's cover ourselves with love.
No, but check us out the way. We know kunanti ye mere ben we huno no. We know we didn't anti a dear Merayan no. Now, anybody do a say where Bushianum na ate Ukuno Meraye, and we didn't Meraye. And a dear one in a year, Jumana Meraye. What would you suffer in fear saying? Anybody do a say na waka sa unia suffer ba kuna okoto no Meraye the actually. Would you police it you may if fear saying? And not saying in Wakika. But a war chief superintendent, no, what the actually, ne mape, ne mape, where you womanizer, a kaunkwana on him, but how many people and what would they grow? As seven, what can say, any child to in a touch of a power. Eti, ye never say a down for no or your crumb for pa. Then so you don't send your
that is what I'm talking about. May the Lord bless and keep us.
Bishop Bian was a clear in the feed there now.
I know they crowd menka. But Ochina Valentine Day. Ochina ye jumedie ewo my father's house. And somewhere Obaya Abuatumake. Ochina one-on-one. Only a better na ya papa mo. I know the radio so. It just a question be the amount who kunu the amount no yere the attitude money mabushi and terminal. Mammy better said what would be mo sini a papa mo. The amount to me me ukunu, the amount to me me womba, the amount to me me gunia. One more crowd, but so cover no one was jammy. And we are going to talk more about some of these things. Metromen Safro or China Numre. No singer pepe near Shasi, our Resurrection Power, 11 Bread Ministries International. I want to be a say Jumedie. Na Antia Boatma, Mrs. Seatu. Ona nyamebe ya dumama wa fenimu ede akasa misra wo aya ochina nko a ochina pa ho a yenye sa adwumadie ebio just one day visit from Antiyabo Atuma, the Ruakitu chief executive, the Ruakitu chief executive ono na eba bekasa. It was a day power. Now, so the question Friday coming all night. I don't know what maybe. Everything I say, and no crowd, the men can't want someone there. The mechanic first one.
Christianity is giving about giving. And yeah, can't last him. I don't know. I copy baby, the affair. Giving is Christianity. It's
giving is Christianity.
Giving is Christianity.
It is always our support to us. You see a show and our support to a someone Praisings project. 0244 710 311 and 0509 15 10 10. If I told my memory, be a bizarre chaplain. Joyce Ohene. Yeah, prison project. It Omwa. What Krum Hoyday. Uno Kro. All right. 0244 710 311 and 0509 15 10 10. Mwamoba Facebook nyina no ka obia buaka kranka kra and kabijiri yes ambulance inki ebeto no and 10 times so kra anti about my your time so
no half minutes me de chia ruak fo nyina
that's what Canada
and ruak aboafo nyina
that's what Canada
say minkai this year a very significant ruak for abrabo
okay
and you know obi bia o adom ha wabo ruak ya chia mo beti yenka obi a oti onu ruak de na mabeto
anti abwatwa
Jerry Justice to the ya chia mo nyina
why
Jerry Justice
or
obi bia odi ne ruak da fia pokua no nyina
okay if radio obeje so do Gamisha
ayo my eyes on fire
anti abwatwa be yinshira de amaye bejiri yes obe cover ukunu obe cover yire obe cover uma said ye be ya weakness no and say woman empro woman na entity woman and say woman no cry bejiri yes say nyansa kasa anti abwatwa see do e dia brain uyure mfida abusu nyame ya adoma ochira be hia beda nyame asese nya akwanya e de bebe som wo so som and someone praising for wabra wo bua your project is here this 0244 710 311 0244 710 311 and 0509 15 10 10 and someone praising ambulance kakrebi ode bebo bia insha businessman say busia ne kro ne nemba me mama shadene monzo so amo attack immigration for no monhwa mo hoye aye kro ne ye man ne oya sa ne ye zo so ye de ni ba mo so a ye bepa mo free krom ha o ke pesa wontumi attack immigration for wabromo ye omodwuma. Good morning to all immigration officers. Good morning to all police, soldiers, prison guards, fire service. Good morning to all of you. Where would you be abedasi? Hey, what no?
Only God can stop us now.